Migori.
Nases mawuok e kaunti ma Kisii manie bwo riwruok mar NAN kata Kenya National Union of Nases odhi e ng'anyo ka giseyo sirikand kaunti no kuom rem chopo e ogirimiti mane gikete kogno. Ka gilose boma ma Kisii kotelnegi kod jotendgi, jotend NAN go wacho ni gibiro bede ng'anyo nyaka dwachgi chopi. Moko kuom dwaro ma gin godo en ni mondo keti e tim omenda mabalang' mag ng'iewo uniforms magi mag tich kaachiel kod rango makare lai magi mag tich.
One thing we want to tell you, we have solidarity forever. Our nurses who have gone for loans are not being paid, union dues are not being paid, and then other relevant financial institutions are not being paid their dues. But on the other side, the government of Kisii deducted their money. Now we are backlog of 3 months along the line, and there is no clear explanation to why the county government is not remitting these status reductions. We want again to tell the public to ensure that services to the public facilities is no more from today.
Hivyo tunataka kuambia serikali ya kwamba walikataa kukuja kwa mesa tusungumze mara 3. The conciliator aliwaandikia mara ya kwanza wakuja, ya pili, ya 3 hawakukuja. Sasa tunataka kuambia ya kwamba sisi tuko nyumbani na wao wakiwa wamekataa kukuja, wao ndio wamegoma. Na ni aibu sana wakati wanaandikiwa wakuje hawakuji mpaka nurses wanaamua kwenda nyumbani. Kwa hivyo it is their failure to come on the table to negotiate.
Kwan ma jogo manyaka sani osewito ngimagi kaluwore gi masira mar apaya mane otimore odhiambo manyoro e alwora ma Coptic mayudore apaya